The job for the next 1 hour now is really about explaining to you the strategy sheet. A lot of the team leaders already know this, and the blue column is really why an organization exists. The purpose of the organization. So it has a vision statement there, being the first choice, providing quality education. And then all of this is really the hows and the what and the whens, because they're all related to time zones and numbers. These are all the mundane stuff. This column is really all your philosophical belief systems, value systems. The only thing that's going to bind you is the purpose of existence of Calorex. And then the rest of it is how. But unless you're unified in purpose, we can't build an organization. That's the purpose of the organization, right? Your core values are right here. Your YALI statements are right here. They are your unifying forces. That's one thing that will always hold you together. That's one thing that will put you apart from the rest of the world. This is where we have to exist. This is where these are your 15, 20-year-old goals. Everything that you have here, you don't touch before almost 15 years. Remember, I said what we did 10 years ago in my 10 years logo. After 10 years, I'm reinventing that. Because that's as long as we have to build culture of an organization. The culture is there, correct? We'll talk in much more detail there. This is now, if this is your 15-year-old span, you've got to break it to 5-year-old span, 3 to 5-year-olds, because it has to be achievable. It has to be, you have to be able to relate to it. From your 3 to 5 years, and then you come to your first year goals, and then your quarter. Sometimes we say this in management. If you've got your 5-year goal in place, and you've got your next quarter's goal, forget everything else. Nothing else matters. Because you're achieving the 5-year target, and you've got to close. So the macro picture is the 5-year, the micro picture is your next saying, keep your eyes on 5 years, keep your eyes on a quarter. And that's why all of our reviews are going to be quarter on quarter. What's going to happen is, you're going to develop the sheet, you're going to share it with your team leaders on a Google Drive. And then quarter on quarter we just discuss it. That's about it. We all are tied together in a common thread. We know how everybody... So I love this example, and when I say it, every time I picturize that, I realize how powerful it is. The Kerala Boat Festival, right? Where hundreds of people sit in a boat and ride together to win. Now, just imagine in a single... How many of you have seen that visual? There's this little canoe-like thing, hundreds of people, hundreds of oars.
Same direction.
If one person rowed in a different direction, can you imagine what would have happened? Forget the winning line. They would have had collisions, right? They would just get into one another. This is rowing the boat together. Everybody in your organization, in your department will row the boat in the same direction, so that we get to some place. Yeah? So here, we have, this is a Ghatlodia sheet that I had sampled. What we've already done for you is, this is mostly for projects. From here, from being the first choice, we broke it down to parameters that we can evaluate. So what we try to do is, we try to get, what is the number one KPI of this group? I love this. What is the number one KPI? What is the critical number of this group?
Number of students.
We have it right up there, number of students. The second thing we have is capacity utilization, which is to say that I have a capacity of 700 people, students, but I'm completely functioning with, at this point in time, I have 350. So I'm functioning at a 50% capacity. So we know that we have a margin of 50% to go to. Whether we do it in 3 years, 2 years, 5 years is a different ballgame. The other thing we want to know more is to that yet. But capacity utilization we'll go into. The next two things is about having just lean. What tuition fee you collect, what do you spend? Revenue per student, expenditure per student. Okay? And then the second one, the last two, are quality parameters for education. We are in the academic domain. It doesn't matter what we do. If we don't put our best foot forward inside the classroom, everything else is secondary. So those two are what we talk about upward mobility, which is academic rank, quality ranks. So all those who have board examinations is very, very easy to see how we are placed. City-wise, state-wise, region-wise, national-wise. So that's what there is. The same thing goes to year's goal and the same thing goes to the quarter. This is clear? Very easy. Now, all of that may change. This doesn't change. All of that may change for different, when we are saying that this is our value mission statement, what is HR doing to ensure that every teacher is actually there?
Training.
Even that can, see, because everything flows from here. Everything,
Humanistic approach that we do.
so this is all criteria. This is like something that's measurable. Always remember you have to use SMART, right? It has to be measurable. So there's a word up here that I have, which is going to assume a lot more importance in coming years, which is Kalik's taxonomy. We've been able to put a little, at least on a macro level, picture together, and I'm going to really unfold it in greater detail on Kalik's Day. I'll request you to hold your horses until then, but that's going to I'll still come back to this. I don't know if you can see this, everybody, if you have soft copies. So let me go through this. In this is a competency level. You want some? You can see here is here. This goes for everybody on the chart, every organization, every person. So we have to have integrity and trust. We have to have customer focus. Generally, principal head, just position yourself. Sometimes you may be in two levels as well. Okay? Then there is a senior management and there is a middle management. So all the functional heads will come here. Of course, directors. But directors are not functional people. This is a functional sheet. So directors will certainly come here. But anybody who manages the sheet is here. Anybody who builds the sheet and manages the sheet is sitting right here. Clear about who you are? Okay. Now let's see middle management. The middle management's focus is on building effective teams and making processes work. Management has to have active role in hiring staff for you. In this dashboard, you can quickly see a leading and lagging indicator. This is like a sandbox. You know what a sandbox means? It's a loose place. You can always change things around. This sandbox, what it means is, like I said, when we did it all, it becomes so easy that this is the only thing that you're paying attention to. If you meet all your deadlines in the theme quarter, you're good. You're not only good for 3 years, 5 years also. But what you have to do is do a genuine attempt to mark everything here and transfer here. Here you will have celebrations are something that we need to pay attention. Chote chote baaton pe. You must stop to celebrate. Strength, weakness, opportunity is just there so that you will remember what areas and opportunities you can. This is the most important. This is your so you got to put. So this is the exercise for the next days.